In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add music to WhatsApp status. Music adds creativity, transforming a simple status into a more dynamic and entertaining experience, whether paired with photos or videos. To add any song to your WhatsApp status, Instagram plays a big role though. Onto your story, tap right here and select music. Choose any song of your own choice. Once done, tap onto these three dots and save to your phone gallery. Head to your WhatsApp status. Add the saved photo with music. Write any caption and tap right here to share your status to public. By the time of recording this video, WhatsApp hasn't enabled the feature of adding music to status, but since Instagram is a sister company, you can now save photos and videos with music from Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Well, that's how easy it is to add music to WhatsApp status. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.